WT0314, Imelda Calderon, 34 years old, a college graduate of Bachelor in Tourism with 2 years of caregiver experience in the Philippines. Miss Calderon, tell me something about yourself.
Okay, I'm Imelda Calderon, just call me Amy. I'm 34 years old from Nueva Ecija. I took 2 hours from Nueva Ecija to Manila. I took up tourism. I took up tourism because I want to see beautiful places in the Philippines, not only in the Philippines, but in abroad, especially in Hong Kong. I want to see Hong Kong. Okay, I am well-disciplined, hardworking. Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. So, why did you choose Hong Kong among any other countries?
Because Hong Kong is very near here. And I
Then-
want Hong Kong because I think Hong Kong is a nice place
Okay.
and nice people as well.
So, why did you apply as a domestic helper in Hong Kong?
Because I want to share I want to share my skill because I've been working here in the Philippines as a caregiver for 2 years. So I want to share it. I want to explore more my knowledge about the caregiver.
Okay. So, what are your hobbies as an individual?
Okay, my hobbies. I want to clean house, preparing food, cooking and watching TV, especially news.
Since you've made mention that one of your hobbies is cooking, do you know how to cook Chinese food or
Yeah,
dishes?
yeah.
Like what?
Like chop suey, pancit canton, Shanghai rolls,
Okay.
soup.
Okay. So, what if, for example, in Hong Kong, they ask you to take care of a newborn? Are you willing to take care of a
Yes,
newborn?
I
How
will.
about elderly or a toddler?
Yes, I will.
Okay. So, what are the things that you can teach to the child or a kid in Hong Kong? If they ask you to take care of a child, what are the things that you can teach them?
Okay, I will teach the child a good manner and right conduct
Okay.
in the school.
Okay.
Send to the school and fetch them and teach them how to cross the pedestrian lane kasi that is important to the children, especially their safety as well.
Okay. So, do you know how to sing?
Yeah.
How about
I know.
lullaby song? Do you know any lullaby song?
Yes.
Okay, can you sing one for us?
Okay. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P. That's it.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Then, what if you're already in Hong Kong, then you feel homesick, what will you do?
Okay, I will inform or I will homesick. Okay, just keep working, and especially you must enjoy your work.
Okay.
So to relieve your homesick.
Okay. So, what if you're in Hong Kong, then one of your family members gets sick, what will you do?
I will inform first my employer if I will call to my parents.
Okay.
If it's okay to call.
Okay. So, what will be your message to your soon-to-be or future employer?
Hi, my new employer. Please hire me because I am very responsible, honest, trustworthy, hardworking, friendly, sweet, and I can adapt all culture, especially in Hong Kong, same as Philippines.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss
Thank you.
Calderon.